So Feathr is a digital marketing toolkit designed specifically for associations and events. We've been around for about 5 years now, and we have went from 50 customers to over 500. Those are both here in North America as well as across the globe. We work specifically with large trade associations and international event organizers. Met Brad at a networking event. It's like, hey, I've got these wonderful UF students who are doing exactly what you need, which is prospecting accounts and people that could be a good fit for you. So we sat down with Brad and we said, listen, we want to take on this market and we want you to help us find that list of associations, that target account master list. A year later, we've got a list of over 10,000 associations that are the perfect fit.
Having a partner like TSF to help us scale up our outbound prospecting process was absolutely critical. Along the way with our outbound sales process, we decided we were going to incorporate direct mail campaigns, which was a new thing for us. TSF was able to start fulfilling those direct mail campaigns for us, since they were already doing the research into the companies and the addresses and finding the points of contact.
I thought very much we had to come with a fully baked, this is 1 through 10 what we needed. But the great thing of working with Brad and the UF students is that week over week, they're also improving our process and helping us refine what an ideal customer looks like. So they themselves helped us increase that qualification rate by tightening up what those ideal prospects look like. So over the next 5 years, Feathr looks to become the market leader for digital marketing technology, specifically for associations and events. As a sales team, as we want to become the world's class sales team right here in Gainesville, Florida, and we really look to our partner over at TSF to help us do that by supplying us with quality leads.
So we've been growing almost 100% per year for 3 consecutive years now. So as we continue to scale up, TSF is going to continue to be part of that story, and if anything, we're probably going to continue to expand our usage of TSF services.